Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Thank you for joining me this afternoon. Today I have a brand new video about a new affiliate system I just joined. This system is fantastic. This system is fantastic. It's doing very well. You know, we joined about few days ago, and you can see we have already made $15.25 with this system. Okay, this system is legit. Is a company that is registered in the United Kingdom, operating from the United Kingdom, and this company is owned by let's show you the OLSP team. This is Wayne Crow, is the founder of this company. Anik Doman is the team manager. Okay, they have, this company has over 24 staff. This is the leadership and management team. You have those in digital marketing and sales. You have Tom, you have Steve, you have Ramsey, we have in relationship management Robin, April, Rowena, and we also have Jerisa, Chrysia, and Roma. These are in customer support management. Their support system is top notch, and we have customer engagement specialists. We have Mandy, we have Sheena. So you can see that this is a company that is on the ground. This is a company that have faces, you know, behind it. You know, this is not just like any of those companies that you put your money and tomorrow they are not going to be there. This company has been in operation for the past 3 years plus now. Okay, paying millions and millions of dollars to affiliate marketers. Okay, so just like I said, we just started a few days ago with this program, and we are getting results already. So what are you going to do with this system? Very simple, very simple. This system is just $7. That is the only money that you are going to put into this system. $7. This is the only money that I have put in this system. $7. Within less than 1 week, I have already made $15. So I have even made 100% of my investment already, just within less than 5 days. Okay, so this is a fantastic system. This is a system that you should join. This is a system that is going to be here for years and years and years and years to come, because they have a product. They have products that they are selling. You can look at their products. They have digital products they are selling. They are selling traffic. They are selling trainings. They are selling, you know, products that are needed in the industry, you know. So so this is why this company is going to be here for years and years and years to come. So if you are in, I mean, you just have to be interested in this program. You know, you just have to be interested. Just like I said, it's just $7. Okay, just $7, and with $7 you can make a lot of money. Okay, so what will you be doing if you join this program? One is that we have a product that is called comment denominator. This product comes with the activate. Immediately you activate, right, with $7. This particular product comes with the activation for free. So when you activate, you will come access this product, the payment denominator, right? Comment denominator. What is it all about? It is all about you commenting on Facebook to earn income, to earn $0.25. Comment on Facebook to earn $0.25. Did you hear what I said? Did you hear what I said now? Only what you need to do is to make a comment on Facebook and you earn 25 cents. Is that not beautiful? Is that not fantastic? You know, and it is very easy, very simple. So when you activate, you know, this program, and you log into your dashboard, okay, this is our dashboard. Okay, so what you need to do is you come to this Common Denominator Pro, click here, okay, and you will access this you will access this post. You can see them here. I have 1, 2, 3 which I've not commented on. You can see that I have made 10 comments already. I have earned $1.25. Okay, less than 1 week ago. I still have this is just about 5 of them. I still have the ones that have not been approved. Okay, so what do you need to do is you must make sure that you have a Facebook account and you are logged into your Facebook account. You can see this is my Facebook account here. You can see my Facebook account, right? It's logged in, and you can see that I am promoting the OLSP on my page here. You can see the OLSP system that I am promoting. So if you want to join, you can join from my Facebook. You get to my Facebook and you come here. You can click here. If you click here, right, you will join this system from my timeline. Okay, so you must ensure that your Facebook is, you log into your Facebook. That is one. You must have a Facebook account first, then log into your Facebook. When you log into your Facebook, then you will come here and view this post. Look at the post here. Okay, so Wayne Crow himself here, you know, making a post, and you are expected. You can see the guy. You can see Wayne Crow, the owner of this company. So what you need to do is to go through this this post, completely fed up with. I'm completely fed up with being unemployed. Read to the end. Now, after years of coaching people, I see the people who do really well are the ones who are in the most pain. When I think about years and years ago, when I had no job, I hated it. I hated working for someone else. I hated having 3 shifts to do each week. So you go through this post, right? So, and this post is all about, also made a promise to try and help people. This can be tougher than you think. So today we are doing an anchor at 3 p.m. UK time on how you can get started with replacing your employment income with affiliate marketing. Let me know if you want the link. I will get to you below. Okay, so you are going to comment here. So this is what you are going to comment. You can comment that, okay, I'm fed up with my current earning, so I need a change. I need a change. Send me the link to the I said send me a link to the call or to the meeting. Send me a link to the meeting. Right? So you copy this. You copy this, post it, right? You have posted it, you copy it, then go back to your platform or your dashboard. You click here and you paste it and you click create. Done. So this is what you are going to do. You do the same for these two. You do the same, and you allow them to approve it. You can see I have 10 already. Already 5 has been approved, and when they approve it, they will pay you $0.25. So you wait. Sometimes it takes like about a week before approval because of the lot of people are in this program. Thousands of people are in this program, and everybody is earning. So this is what you need to do. Every day you come and do this, and you earn money. You're going to earn a lot of money from this particular comment denominator. Okay, so this is one of their products. There are other products. What you need to do is just to drive traffic to this link. If you drive traffic to this link, either through postings on your Facebook, through making videos on YouTube, or telling your friends, just talk to them about the OLSP program, how they can earn money by commenting on Facebook. Okay, that is all. And each person that activates, you earn $7. And through the comment denominator, you earn 25 cents for each comments that you do. So this is what the whole system is all about. It's a fantastic system. It is a system that I've been operating for over 3 years. Like I said, the numbers are something else. So I expect you to go now to my Facebook. Okay, go down to my Facebook, or below this video, right? I am going to put my link below this video. Click on the link and join this program immediately. Don't waste any more time. This is the beginning of the year. You have to start doing something to earn your income, and this is a very fantastic program that you can start with. Okay, once again, I want to thank you for joining me. Until I see you in the next video. If you like these videos, give me a thumb up. Like this video so that the video can go viral. Thank you and God bless.